The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for central Greene County in southwestern Missouri, northwestern Christian County in southwestern Missouri, until 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Republic, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Springfield, Republic, Battlefield, Brookline, Stratford. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 66 and 82. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.